How you guys doing? This is Kai with BMW of Bend. Today we're going to go over the wiper controls. Demo car is a 2018 BMW X3, so let's jump in and go over the controls.
All right, so on the right side of the column we have the wiper stock. Now you have a guide on the front part facing you on the stock here that tells you the stock positions and the setting that you have set in place. So right now we're in the off position. If I move the stock down one notch, that would swipe the wipers once and then turn off. If I move the stock up one position, that would put it in the auto setting. The auto setting, it'll swipe once to indicate the system's on, as well as you'll notice an LED illuminate right under here where it says auto. The auto system will sense the rain hitting the windshield and increase or decrease the speed of the wipers based on the intensity of the rain. This thumb wheel here, this adjusts the sensitivity of the sensor for the auto specifically. So if you feel like it's overreacting or underreacting to the weather, you can use this adjustment to make it go faster or slower. Moving the stock up one more position, put it in low. Up another position will be high. Once you're in high, keep in mind you got to move down a few notches to get back to the off position. The stock also has, for cars that have a rear wiper, this setting over here. The dash lines up and indicates the setting. Right now we're in off. If I rotate to the on position, it turns the rear wiper on. If I go to either one of those illustrations of the window right there, that'll spray fluid on the rear wiper. Spray fluid on the front, there is this icon on the top side of the stock. Pull the stock towards you, that would spray fluid on the front, which I think is a pretty traditional setup. But something to note, some previous generation cars, they did have the auto wipers, but there was a separate button on the outside of the stock. I'll show you a quick picture of that so you can see what that looks like. That will operate the same. It's just you have to press the button on the outside as opposed to putting the stock in a certain position to turn on auto.
So that's how to use the wiper controls. If you have any further questions, give us a call here at BMW of Bend or feel free to stop by.
Kendall, let's start something great.